Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. Windows cannot access desktop and this error code 0x800704f8 and etc. So how to fix this? Just I will tell you everything step by step, so make sure you stick along till the end of this video so you won't miss out any step and you can fix your problem properly. Just close this and then press Windows R. So what this will do, this will open this run dialog box. Just type gpedit.msc and click OK. Once you do this, it will open local group policy editor. In this, click on computer configuration and then search for administrative templates. Click on this and then click on network, then click on landman workstation. In this, you will find enable insecure guest logons. Just double click on it and it will open the guest logons interface. Here you'll find enable disabled options. Just click on enable and click on apply and then click on OK. Once you do this, just restart your PC one time and then try to do what you were doing again. Hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video and help you guide out of this problem. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.